Dogecoin gains attention as meme hype returns.
Shiba Inu jumps as community activity increases.
PEPE token trends again among meme traders. Floki gains traction amid meme coin buzz.
BONK sees renewed interest from short-term traders.